Hey everyone, if InVideo is taking too long to render your videos, getting stuck during export, or processing much slower than usual, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common InVideo slow rendering
Right.
problems in 2026. First, check your internet connection. Since InVideo is a cloud-based video editing platform, a slow or unstable connection can significantly affect rendering and export speeds.
ফেসবুকে সমস্যা
Next,
চলে।
refresh the page and try rendering the project again. Temporary platform glitches can sometimes slow down the rendering process. If only one specific project renders slowly, create a duplicate version and test the export there to determine whether the issue is project-specific. Before starting another render, save all changes and ensure that uploads, AI-generated content, and media processing have fully completed. Finally, if none of these solutions work, contact InVideo support and provide details about the project length, browser version, device specifications, and the rendering issue you're experiencing. And that's how to fix InVideo slow rendering problems in 2026. In most cases, improving your connection, simplifying the project, updating your browser, and reducing unnecessary assets will speed up rendering significantly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.